start Monkey Joe's on a rainy Monday. So yeah, bye. Phone. Okay, so we're at Monkey Joe's and there's this really awesome, like it's like pure sugar candy machine, so we're gonna try. Let's start with sweet blue bubblegum. I'm not sure how to do it. How do you do it? Oh, there you go. So it goes into the straw. Let's go with sweet birthday cake. A little bit of that. Let's go with cotton candy. And sour fruit. Let me pour some in your mouth. Want to try some, Dad? One more time. Thank you for watching all my videos. Like and subscribe down below if you liked it. Bye!